Hello everyone. I hope you all are well and you have read chapter 6 first module. You have seen that. So children, you must have observed that I have talked about changes around us in that module. So in that module we have read that there are many changes takes place around us. So here in this module we will read about those changes, some of those changes. So we know that there are many changes taking place around us, their own day changes. Here I have given 3 pictures to you. You can see here babies grow. Like you can see, first it was baby was infant, then it grow and grow, right? So here is natural growth is taking place. In this a seed become plant and then it become tree. So here also natural growth is taking place. Day become night and night again become day. So these changes are happening by their own. So these changes, there is no involvement, any additional involvement to change these things. They are taking place by their own. So these types of changes are called natural changes. We can see some changes take place instantly. Instantly means जल्दी से, तुरंत हो जाते हैं, while other take a much longer time. कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं जिनको बहुत कम टाइम लगता है, जो जल्दी से हो जाते हैं, बट सम चेंजेस टेक्स मोर टाइम, उनको बहुत टाइम लगता है उन चेंजेस को होने में, राइट. सो सम चेंजेस आर टेम्परेरी, सम चेंजेस आर परमानेंट. कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं जो टेम्परेरी होते हैं, मीन्स दे चेंज फॉर सम टाइम, then they again come back in their own position. But some changes are permanent, where we cannot get back the original substance or original state back. Those are called permanent changes, right? So the changes that occur by themselves, such changes are called natural changes. Natural means nature. We have read in fiber also, natural fiber which we are getting from nature. So natural means which we are getting from nature. So वो changes जो nature के through होते हैं, they are going to happen by their own. Those changes are called natural changes. And the changes that are brought about by the human are called man-made. Means the changes in which we are doing something to perform those changes are called man-made changes. Man-made means हमारे थ्रू बनाया हुआ change, that is called man-made changes. Like example, natural changes, example I gave you, that an infant become baby, a seed become tree, day become night, night become again day. But the changes, man-made changes, so we can say the dress, the stitching of dress, right? We are stitching dresses, we are giving stuff to the tailor to stitch the dress. सो दिस इज़ मैन मेड चेंज. हम ड्रेस देते, कपड़े को हमने कटिंग किया, उसकी शेप चेंज करी, दैट इज़ मैन मेड चेंज. सेकेंड, बर्निंग ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, हम फॉसिल्स फ्यूल जो हैं फ्यूल्स को बर्न करते हैं, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो मैन मेड चेंज. नाउ हेयर कम्स रिवर्सिबल एंड इरिवर्सिबल चेंज. रिवर्स, इट मीनिंग इट सेल्फ रिवर्स विच कैन बैक अगेन, जो वापस से अपनी सिचुएशन में आ सकता है, ओन पोजीशन में आ सकता है. इरिवर्सिबल विच कैन नॉट बी कम्स बैक इन देयर ओन पोजीशन. सो द चेंजेस दैट कैन बी रिवर्स टू गेट ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस और अ टेम्परेरी चेंज आर कॉल्ड रिवर्सिबल चेंज. मीन्स ऐसे चेंजेस जिनमें क्या होता है, ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस हमें वापस मिल जाता है, दोज चेंजेस आर कॉल्ड रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. एंड दीज चेंजेस आर अ टेम्परेरी चेंज. टेम्परेरी क्यों है? क्योंकि हमें अपना सब्सटेंस वापस मिल गया. अगर परमानेंट होता तो हमें सब्सटेंस वापस नहीं मिलता, ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस. And irreversible changes, the changes that cannot be reversed to get back the original substance are called irreversible changes. Growth of living things, जो मैंने आपको दिखाया, बेबी की ग्रोथ हो रही है, seed to tree, they are irreversible changes which we cannot reverse. So here I have given some example, melting of ice, melting of ice cream. These are the reversible changes जो हम वापस freeze कर सकते हैं. Then you can see the burning of fuel, this is irreversible change. dissolving salt in water, making bread, making cake, frying pancake, these all are irreversible change. So I hope both the things clear, reversible and irreversible. Now here are some questions based on this module. First, describe reversible and irreversible changes. Give one example of each. So both the definition is given in this module, an example also. Why is cooking food an irreversible change? Because once we cook the food, we cannot get raw material back. अब फूड बन चुका है, उसमें केमिकल रिएक्शन हो चुका है, हमें रॉ मटेरियल, रॉ वेजिटेबल वापस नहीं मिल सकती. Which of these changes can be reversed? Grain to flour, bud to flour और melting of ghee. कौन सा reverse हो सकता है? Melting of ghee. Yes, I hope reversible and irreversible changes are clear. Thank you.